What's up, guys? Long time no see, and I am back with a wash and go update for you guys. Now, a lot of you on here may know Kimberly Sherrill, and she gives bomb tips for wash and go. So I decided to switch up my routine and try her wash and go method. And let me tell y'all, it is bomb.com. So I'm gonna stop talking right now and let you guys watch. So when I go in with my cleansing and clarifying shampoo from Kinky Curly, I shampoo my hair in sections to make sure that I'm reaching all parts of my scalp and my root to make sure that my hair is squeaky clean and I have no buildup left over. Okay, another important step when applying your shampoo or any product for that matter, you want to use the pads of your fingers. Now, this will help prevent breakage and it will get your blood circulating in your scalp, which promotes length retention. I also want to add, take your time during your wash day, y'all. There's no rush. And, have a little jam session. Check me out right here. Getting it. Okay, so the next step in the wash day process is going in with the coconut co-wash from As I Am. Now, this co-wash is cleansing, but it's also moisturizing, so it makes it super easy for me to detangle my hair strands, and it's adding moisture back to my hair after cleansing. So after rinsing out the deep conditioner, I'm going in and resectioning my hair and preparing to apply my leave-in conditioner. Now, the key step to this is applying your leave-in conditioner while you're still in the shower and while your hair is drenched in water. So after applying your leave-in conditioner in sections, you're going to go in with that shower cap, girl, and you're going to let that heat do what it's supposed to do. When you have low porosity hair, heat is your friend, okay? Heat allows the hair follicle to open up, allowing the product to actually go in and penetrate the hair strand rather than sitting on the hair strand. So next I'm going with my extreme wet line gel, and I am applying the gel to the root. Now you may see, if you don't apply your gel to your root first and work your way down, you will have frizz at the root. So it's very important that you take your time applying your gel when you are styling, so you can get the results that you like. Now, in the words of Kimberly Sherrill, if your wash and go does not look like wet, it is not going to look right dry, okay? And I live by this. So a lot of the times when applying gel, your curls can clump together. I don't like this, so I try to find curls that are clumped and kind of separate them and do like a little shingling method, but I also use the raking method to apply my product. So once I'm done styling my hair, I take my extreme wet line gel and I just put it along my edge line and get my hair to lay down, so when I am diffusing and drying my hair, it lays and falls the way that I want it to. I take my rat tail comb and I flatten my edges out. I don't take the comb all the way through because you don't want to mess up the curl pattern. And boom, honey, there she is. Yes, bouncy, defined wash and go that's going to last for an entire week. And she is just thriving, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my updated wash and go routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.